Hey guys, it's me, Landon here, and today we're going to be doing an experiment today. So, as you can see, I have dishwasher, Dawn cleaner, and some Sprite. So, let's sit this right here. So, what you're going to need to do is pour the Sprite in there. See, as the dishwashing just fogs up. And just swirl that around. Now that's pretty fizzy, right? That's nothing compared to what's happening next. So, that is what happened. So, let's move on. See, as we stir it up, it gets more fizzier, so add some soap to it if you like, just a little, just to make it a little soapier too, so it can bond with the Sprite, and just a little more in there if you want to. Now, if it's too much like this, then what you're going to need to do is pour some of it out. And then you need to stir it. So see how it can connect it with the fizz as we move on. So it's just turning fizzy. Now that's one thing that's with it. And I'll get back to you right now. Here's the thing, when you add something with Sprite and dishwashing, you're always going to need salt. Salt is the main thing that you're going to need in some parts like this. And a lot of salt. Okay, so we'll stir that up, and as you can see, the blueness and the wateriness in there is kind of conducting with the Sprite and the salt. So it actually gets soapier in there, and to make the salt fresher, you need to put more soap in there, so the salt gets more fresher. So that's something you need to do. So after you do that, that is pretty much all you need to do from that. If you can't, to make it work a little better, start out with this stuff, pour it in there, add red food coloring, pour it in there, and then you need Sprite, you need salt, and you need this kind of soap, soft soap. Dawn, you can buy a mini, you can even buy this at Body Works store. I'm just going to add a little more to that, if that isn't too a problem. Okay. And that was all for today's science experiment video. If you let it stay there for a few days, it actually starts to get fizzier and fizzier, and then it starts to rise up and make baking soda. So this is a recipe that you could use for your kitchen. So that is something really unique. Let me just pour this out for a minute. As you can see, it's really blue. Here we go. So see you later, guys. Till next video.